Super big boys. Oh, look how crappy that camera is. Wow, that's so bad. It's 420p, dude. 480? Is it 480? Yeah, it's 480.
I like 420 better.
Yeah, it's 420p.
What's going on? You making a documentary?
Always.
Of whose life? Just yours?
Yeah.
No, actually, it's for his mom. His mom's always wondering what I'm up to.
Man, cut it out.
What's up? Hey, welcome to North Carolina. Subto the biggest, man.
What we got going on here?
We got the Subto meetup. We did an awesome walkthrough. Tons of investors around here. This is our family, man. Astro and Subto. Couple Astro, but mainly Subto. Welcome to North Carolina. That's what we do.
Beautiful.
I seen your video, Astro, the last video on Big 5, blew my mind.
So I buy this list, and we had like, I don't know, 50, 70 students that were like getting mobile home parks all year long and just assigning them out. I gotta introduce you to Ted Miller. You know Ted Miller?
Yes, I haven't met him in person, but we've talked.
He'll sell you mobile home parks. Like he's running into mobile home parks all the time. You guys know each other? Okay, so if you look for 50 to 150 units, you'll get a lot of multi-family sellers by me. If you guys find those, I'll buy them, and I'll keep you guys on as partners. That was good. I mean, it's not something that you normally do on a multi-family deal, like bring your investors into the property. Normally it's like, hey, if you invest, we'll give you some more money in 5 years.
Yeah.
But it was kind of special being able to like see people own a part of a big old property like that. It's like when they walk in, they're like, wow, I own part of this, I own part of this, I own. It's pretty cool. It was a lot of fun to watch. Let's raise a glass. We love you guys. We appreciate you. Thank you for trusting us. And thank you, Julie, thanks for coming all the way from Indian territory. Guys, we love you. Thank you so much. Appreciate you.
Thank you, Paige. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.